I don't even know what we're doing today, but we are driving the Evo 10. You know why? Because I cut the filter on it yesterday, and guess what? The filter looks brand new. So our motor that lost all the oil at 8,000 RPM somehow survived its shenanigans. Good morning for a fresh tank of E85. Sick blurble tune on the dimmer. First stop of the day, the tint shop. So we dropped this thing off a few days ago, and here she is all finished up. Dude, that looks so much better.
Yeah, and honestly for a full removal too, it actually wasn't that bad.
Did it come off pretty easy?
Yeah, all the adhesive came off with it for the most part.
That's good.
A few spots, but
yeah, that looks really good. This tint turned out amazing on this car. Super excited for it. Went a little bit darker, and now this car's going to be completely redone. Are the keys in there?
Where's the key?
Is it not in there? Oh, you just got to have them in the car. You should, yeah, fire it up. You might need to give her some gas. There you go. So initially I was just going to redo the rear window on this car because it's all purple. Let me show you guys real quick. It's super purple. I'm sure you guys have seen in the videos, but we're just gonna redo the whole thing. All the tint on the car is getting ripped off, and we're just gonna redo it all. It's old tint. If you want some tint work done, I'll link my man's channel down below. This shit looks amazing. Now let's go see what the Hoonigans are up to. You're gonna get me copywritten. What are you doing? Copyright incoming soon.
Turn my music off.
Give me a nut.
What's up, boy? What's up, boy?
You break it?
No. Finishing touches. So I got the brake-in tune done. Car made 424.
Saw
Very
that.
light timing and air fuel. So went ahead and pulled it off. Got the drivability done. It goes in for alignment on Friday at Honda.
Why don't you just string align it?
I'm going cruising this weekend.
Hell yeah.
I don't feel like I have my hair back. That's gonna happen.
This thing is pretty nice. I wish it was on the ground so I could go for a ride.
This is not the one to go for a ride yet.
Oh, the blue one?
The blue one.
Oh.
That's the one.
Okay, well.
See?
I might have to go steal it. So Josh is no longer a Subaru tuner. He is a Honda tuner.
Pretty Honda boy now.
Honda and soon to be Evo.
You ready for this?
Looks stock.
She looks stock. Anyway.
Sheesh.
Damn.
What is that, a 50 mil turbo?
A little bit outdated. 6766. Stock K24A, which is equivalent to a K24A2.
That's what I do in the FRS, right?
Yep.
Let's do it.
$800 to $1,300 motor.
Yeah, and it made how much?
Made 502 on gate, which was 14 psi.
On a stock motor?
Stock motor.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
So this does, I mean, technically those out there that say stock motor, it has a Type S oil pump and a 50-degree VTC on it. So we can use more cam timing and we can rev it higher with the oil pump.
Nice.
It's revving to like 8,200 right now.
It looks clean.
No, it looks clean. Just want to change the shifter in the car. I don't really like the shifter. Notice it's too far forward. So
it's really tall as well.
Definitely really tall. So you hit your hand on the dash. So I want to redo that. And other than that, just enjoy it the way it is. It's getting a hood exit.
It needs some TEs. Are you gonna keep stock wheels on it, or just
keep stock wheels? They're on the radials.
Yeah.
The Falcons.
I mean, it's cool because it's just like clean OEM.
You would never suspect it.
Yeah.
You know, put the Volks off this on it. See.
Yeah, too many Hondas.
Hey.
This sounds built. Is it fast?
Dude, I feel like this thing would be my car.
Really?
I'm not even lying.
You're so full of shit.
Dude, I'm not even lying to you. When you get in it, it's fast. Dude.
All right.
Like 500 in this feels like 800 in a Subaru.
Oh God. All right.
Daily in 800. So dude, this thing's fucking fast.
Should I be scared? I should be?
Don't mind my normal Honda boy. ECU on the floor.
You're gonna get that shit stolen.
I gotta clean that up. When we were diagnosing some issues with the car, I had it all pulled out.
You see that E92 over there? I'll trade you.
You're gonna really feel like that after that.
It's fucking fast.
Really?
You gotta give the pop.
Oh God, the pops, the hot boy stuff. It definitely has it. We'll go cruiser and let her warm up for a moment, get those oil temps warmed up.
Is this a Hall Tech too or no?
This is just K-Pro.
Okay.
So maybe in the future, but
yeah.
It seems to be working in the car, so there's no real reason to change it.
It's quite loud.
Yeah. Triple disc.
Yeah. I like it.
No. I think it'll surprise you. For 500 wheel, you don't expect it.
Are you gonna launch it?
Yeah.
Oh. to 45 miles an hour right there. Dude, this thing is quick.
Dude, it's surprising. You didn't think it would be.
That felt whole like that one pull we did in your STI where we had to keep going.
We're in a similar back road.
Holy fuck, dude.
But here, I'll even roll into third so you can feel all the power come in.
I like the hot boy. Ah, shit.
I definitely need to get the new shifter.
Dude, this thing is insane.
Dude, it's pretty fun.
I want to build one of these.
Right? You launch it.
You're gonna launch
it? It's gonna spin.
Alright.
There's a pretty rowdy launch control on it.
This thing is rowdy in general. Holy shit, dude. I was not expecting that. Yeah, it feels like... Fuck that shifter. This thing is fun.
Look how close I am. I'm just hitting there.
Yeah.
So,
holy shit.
It's pretty freaking fun.
That's a stock motor.
Stock motor, stock trans, stock TK, stock rear diff.
I gotta build one.
Stock
I gotta build one. I'm gonna sell an Evo and build one of these. Holy
Can
shit.
you imagine this in what you want in a hatch?
Yeah.
2,000 pounds.
Oh lord, that's fun.
Dude, 5-iron wheels, all you need.
I know. This thing will gap Bobby's car. Easy.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Dude, this thing will gap my 10.
Dude,
I guarantee it would.
What to compare it to because it feels so different. You obviously boost creeps up top, so that's why the car gets faster up top.
Yeah.
The wastegate's 11 psi, but it hits 14 to 15 up top.
Holy shit.
But,
yeah, that feels like 700 plus.
dude, it's just
It's so light.
a blast.
if I can all-wheel drive the FRS somehow.
I bet you could.
K-swap all-wheel drive.
Dude, I'm sure we could figure something out. What do you put an STI tranny in it?
There we go. What do you guys think? Honda on the channel? That thing is so damn fun. It might be an option. Sell an Evo, build a Honda. Car, I did a pretty big strip, as you guys can see, but I think it is perfect on this thing. Two things to fix on the M, or four things, I guess. I have a check engine light that's been on since I bought the car. I think that's for an O2 sensor. We have a TPMS light that's been on since I bought the car, so I gotta get that sorted. We have a leaky headlight that we need to fix, and then I have an oil pan leak that drives me insane. It's not that bad, it leaks just a tiny bit, but I hate leaks. So you need to get those four things fixed, and then I think I'm gonna do a big brake kit on the car and call it a day there. I love this car so much. I do wish it was lower miles. Like I've said before, I'd probably keep it forever if it was lower miles. But if I do sell it one day, it's only because I'm gonna get a lower mileage one. It's at 144,000 miles, which is absurd, but she's a ripper. Are you jealous of my tint?
I am, it looks so good.
Look how big the windshield strip is.
Holy crap, I'm kind of jealous.
It's so freaking nice. Why are your cheeks so red?
I don't run AC in my car.
Too much power, Robs?
Yeah.
I feel it. Yeah. This thing turned out titties. I do think I want to put my red tails back on. Bobby, what do you think? Put the OEM
What?
red tails back on?
Oh.
Really?
What?
I think it looks sick on here. Comment below what I should do. Also, I've officially decided, Bobby, I'm building a Honda.
You already have one.
No.
Oh.
An old one. I want a hatch, like a 96 to 2000 hatch, all-wheel drive swap with a K-series in that son of a bitch, make 500 wheel. Josh Bader's car is so fast.
How much did it make?
It made just over 500. It would gap every car I
Yeah,
own.
because they're like so freaking light.
It feels like 800 wheel. It's insane.
That is insane, but I recommend getting started on something else first.
Like what?
Like maybe your track STI that you got.